Hi, I'm Dawn Monroe. I wanted to give you some information about using dates in Excel. And here I've got a little spreadsheet going, and I just wanted to point out that behind the scenes and under the hood of your dates are something called serial numbers. If I change the date format here to a general format, you see a number. And where this comes from, when they set up computer systems, they decided January 1, 1900 was going to be day 1, January 2, 1900, day 2. And so those of you that remember the whole Y2K scare that our computers were going to crash because of our date system, that may kind of make some sense with you there. Now, sometimes you do a download from another system, another program, and the date automatically converts this way. All you have to do to fix it is to come in here and change it to a short date or your long date format, and you're good to go. It's just a formatting issue. But what that really allows you to do, because it's a number, it actually gives you a way to do math on dates. So I'm going to show you a few other tricks I like with dates, and then this I hope will make some sense to you. So first things, I love to teach that you can do equal to day. This is a function, and it doesn't have anything inside the parentheses. It's a volatile function. It's always changing. It's dynamic. So when I do equal to day, open parentheses, close parentheses, what that does is it gives me today's date, and when I get in here tomorrow, it would say the 27th, and then the 28th, and the 20th. It would constantly be updating and changing. Now, I don't always want that, so sometimes I'll just type in the date and get where I'm going that way. But I do have a keystroke I think you're going to love. Do a control and semicolon. This will drop today's date in the cell, and I really like that one. So equal today will change, but if you just type or use my control semicolon to drop a date in the cell, that date is going to stay put. That's just an entry into a cell as a date, and it stays that way until you change what's in the cell. So something else I notice with dates is that sometimes I want to copy or fill them down. I bet you've done this before, and when you copy it, you fill it down, it gives you a series. You didn't want a series because you are entering things that happen on this day, a whole bunch of things happening this day. So get in your little autofill options and change it to copy cells. You can actually go back and forth with this. It will even, I'm going to do, let's see, we'll do our keystroke again. What is a week from today? Let me just look here on my calendar. It's going to be September the 2nd. All right, so if I have a series of dates, and let's say I want to make a whole list of Fridays, then I select the two dates together and then grab the fill handle and drag it down. What I'm getting here is every Friday for the rest of the year. Here, we'll go all the way to the end of the year. You see, I can see there it's giving me a little tool tip as I go down, so I can stop it on the 30th. Okay, there's all my Fridays left. So I hope these little tricks with dates give you, a little step up in your Excel work, and you can work a little faster knowing what's going on with these. Oh, I forgot to do the math. So you could say, all right, how many days until Christmas or the New Year? Let's do the New Year. Let's do 1/1/2023. Okay, so if I wanted to say equals the new year minus today's date, and you could use any of these, the Formula One or the standalone dates. I have 128 days left in this year. Okay, so I'm glad I remembered that before I stopped. Have a great day. Be sure and subscribe.